Okay, so welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how negative indexing works. Okay, so I'm going to do it vis-a-vis with positive indexing, or what we call normal list indexing. All right, so over here, I'm going to be using an application. This application, you can visit this website here on line 10. Okay, this is an application that I developed. It's a drawing application. You can use it. You can just visit this website and you're free to use it. All right, so if I go to this website, I'll see an application like this. So this is an application that I'm going to use to explain, the difference between the normal list indexing and the negative indexing. All right, so let's say we have a list called nums. That's what I'm going to call it. Okay, this is assignment, so I'm going to put it in red, right? Square brackets for the list, and then the items. Let's say I have a 10, a 20. These are comma separated, right? A 30, a 40, and maybe a 50. So let's say I have these items in this list. And so the way normal indexing works, this 10 is on index 0, the 20 is on index 1, the 30 is on index 2, 3, and then this is on index 4, just like this. This is how normal indexing works. So each time I want to access a 10, I'll just, use this notation, like the bracket notation, right? The square bracket notation. I'll use nums and then square brackets, and then I can pass in the 0 here. And then, so this 0 refers to this 10, right? So this is how it works. All right, so let's say I want to use negative indexing. Negative indexing now, it does the opposite, right? So this 50 now is on index -1, the 40 -2, the 30 -3, this is -4, and this is -5. Okay, so I can access this 10, use -5 or 0, right? So this is how negative indexing works. All right, so if I'm to go back here, I want to try and explain this using this list. Let's say, num0, run this, you'll see, let me see what's happening. Okay, I left this line uncommented, so it ran into an error. Save and run. Let me see, name is not defined. Okay, I'm trying to access a non-existent list. Okay, nums. Okay, so down here you'll see I have a 10 here, which is on index 0, but I can also access it using -5. Save and run. You see I also get a 10. All right, -1, I'm supposed to get a 50. Let's see, -1. Save and run, you get a 50. So this is how negative indexing works. All right, so which means when negative values are used for the first and second values in a slice, they count from the end. So I can do this, right? I want to access, let's say, -4, and then up to -1. Save and run. You see I get a 20, 30, 40. So let's see which value is on -4. Is 20, right? -1, -2, -3, -4, and then up to -1 is supposed to get up to 50, but this is not included, so it goes up to 40. That's why I got this back. So I hope this is pretty clear. All right, so there is one more interesting thing that you can do with negative indexing. All right, so here I want to show you down here. All right, down here is if a negative value is used for the step, the slice will be done backwards. All right, so this is a way of reversing a given list. So I can just say no start, colon, no end, colon, and then the step is going to be -1. If I put a step of 1 here, this will give me back the normal, list, like 10, 20, 30, 40 in that order. However, if I put a -1 here, I'm telling Python to reverse that for me. So now I get a 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. So this one is used to reverse any list. I can demonstrate this. Let's say I have a name here. By the way, a string is a collection of items, of characters. So it can be used. You can use this slicing. So if I try and do this on my name, save and run, you will see down here I have my reversed name here. My name is reversed. Okay, so this is how you work it. This is how you do it. All right, so let's try and answer the question that follows. The question is, what's the output of this code? Say squares 0 up to 81, print squares 7 up to 5. This is start from 7, going to 5, but backwards. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 49, going backwards because there's a negative step here. So going backwards to 5, so it's going to say 6 and 5, but then the 5 is not going to be included. So 39 and 49 and 36 would be the output. All right, so you can see here, check it out, boom, 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 that's the answer. All right, so in our next lesson, we're going to close up with the module 5 quiz, all right, to wrap up this lists module. Okay, so I hope you guys understood. I'll see you in our next lesson. For now, I'm out. Bye-bye.